Scotty.
Scotty's your favorite?
That's your favorite American Idol? Really?
How come?
Because
He's your little cowboy. Say it.
he's my little cowboy.
Do you like any of the other ones? No? Do you like Casey Abrams?
Sure.
Yeah?
There's glitter in my... Mommy, there's glitter in my ears.
Why is there glitter in your ears?
Because they're out. The glitter is out of my ears.
Congrats! Oh, it's not very nice.
Lily. Lily, no.
Ouchie.
Don't spit on the camera.
Why are you putting your toes by my face? That is not very nice. That is not very nice. Get your toes away from my face. So how's your day today at school?
She didn't go to school.
Oh, you didn't even go to school.
She doesn't go to school on Thursdays.
Do you have the hiccups?
You got the hiccups?
You wanna know? You wanna know how to get rid of them? Hold your breath. Okay, okay, hold your breath and hold your nose for 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can't open your mouth. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I don't think it's working. No, don't kick the camera away. What are you doing?
I'm gonna kick it away.
No, you're not. Stop. Lily, stop.
You're